Hello everyone, here in this particular video we will learn how to filter a NumPy array, right? So in NumPy array, let's say if you want to this is the particular array, and if you want to filter all those values which are greater than 20, how can you do that? So it works on the boolean. So first you will have to manually see what all are the values which are greater than 20, and then you need to create a list of booleans, right? So how can you do that? So for example, let's say here I say filters, and this is the list which I'm going to create, right? So let's have a look at the first element. This is 12, which is false. This is not greater than 20, right? We have to filter greater than 20, so this is false. Then 34, this is true, this is greater than 20. Then again this is false, then this is true, then this is again false, and then true. Alright, so once we are done with creating this particular filter, all that you need to do is just take the name of array and in the square bracket put your filter, right? So here we have created the filter and here you got that, right? So these are the elements which we wanted to filter. These are greater than 20, right? So this could be a tedious way, right? This is very manual kind of stuff, and because we had a small list, so it was okay, we just did it manually. But what if you get a big list? In that scenario, what you can do is you can use a for loop to iterate through it. So let's create a blank list first. So here we go, and then after that let's iterate through each of the element for I n arr. Okay, so arr is our array, this one, and we are iterating through each of the element, which is I, right? And now we're going to say if I greater than 20, then what to do? Simply append filters dot append, and what is the value that we want to append? True. We want to put true into that. If it is not so, then it has to append false, and this will give us a list of this boolean values which we had just created, right? So we will come out of this loop and then we will print the list, right? So you see here we got the exactly same list, right? Now you can do the same thing over here, or maybe here itself I can do that. Okay, what I can say is arr, and in that square bracket we can put that. So here we got the result, right? So this is the way of filtering a NumPy array using for loop, right? So I just hope that this one is pretty simple. This one is very manual, right? So you go with this particular method. I just hope that it was clear to you and you understood it. Just in case if you get any doubt or any suggestion, put that into the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. Thanks again.